things have changed a great deal since you left Paris.
A great deal to be set right.
And we're no closer to finding Germain.
That's not entirely true. I have a name.
Who?
Robespierre.
Les chansons.
What's all this?
Robespierre. He's declared today a festival of the Supreme Being. A paean to the virtue of the nation and the citizens' duty toward it.
Why does that sound familiar?
As far as Templar doctrine goes, it's a loose interpretation.
We'll never get close to him in the middle of all this. We'd best retire and wait for a better opportunity.
Still thinking like an assassin. This time, I have the plan.
Oh? And what would that be?
Think like a Templar.
Amazing! Thought we were supposed to be rushing this.
Vive Robespierre! Bravo!
Vive la liberté!
The Supreme Being ain't called for Robespierre. I'll eat my hat.
Ridiculous pomp and circumstance. What is he thinking? Ils ne sont pas des forces qui nous arrêteront. Justice sera rendue. Qu'est-ce qu'il prend tant?
What now?
Robespierre is unassailable. He's got half the guard out in force. We'll never get within 10 yards of him.
Just what I said.
But he's not as popular as he was. The Purgers, the Supreme Being cult. If we can discredit him, he's finished.
Massive public spectacle is the perfect venue.
Exactly. Paint him as a dangerous lunatic and his power will evaporate like snow in April. But we'll need some convincing evidence.
I have an idea where to start. You coming?
Meet me after. I have my own arrangements to make.
He has seen tyranny, crime, and deception reign. At this moment, he sees an entire nation at war with all the oppressors of the human race. Suspend its heroic efforts in order to raise its thoughts and vows to the great being who gave it the mission to undertake these efforts and the strength to execute. Did not his immortal hand...
Let's see. Incriminating evidence. Incriminating evidence. Looks like a diary.
At exactly 5 in the morning.
Hardly the sort of thing to topple a tyrant. A letter.
Monsieur Robespierre.
Maybe something a bit stronger.
Publiciste de la Révolution.
Hardly the sort of thing to topple a tyrant with.
Monsieur,
Interesting, but not particularly helpful. Merlin, Tallien, Bourdon. These are all deputies of the National Convention. Lists of political figures written in the hand of a man fond of sending his rivals to the guillotine. Yes, these should do nicely. Captain.
That shall honor the supreme being more.
Lieutenant!
Well?
List of names. 50 or so deputies of the National Convention, all written in Robespierre's hand and all opposed to him.
I imagine those good gentlemen would be quite interested to know they're on that list. But first... Monsieur Robespierre brought his own refreshments. Distract the guards. I have an idea.
Distract the guards. Right.
Armed in turn with the daggers of fanaticism and the poisons of atheism, they can no more tear the world. Armed in turn with the daggers of fanaticism and the poisons of atheism, they can no more tear the world. Armed in turn with the daggers of fanaticism and the poisons of atheism. People sacrilegious conspiracy. People fear no more
Right behind
their
you.
sacrilegious conspiracy.
Terribly sorry.
People fear no more their... Armed in the daggers of fanaticism and the poisons of atheism, they can no more tear the world from... Armed in the daggers of fanaticism and the poisons of atheism, they can no more tear the world from... Armed in turn with the daggers of fanaticism and the poisons of atheism. People their sacrilegious conspiracies. People fear no more their sacrilegious conspiracy. People fear
sure I will! Get it all!
Powdered agate. Causes hallucinations. This will make him look mad. Now we have to make him look dangerous.
The list of names.
It must fall into the right hands, anonymously. If our involvement gets out, it'll tip Germain off.
Leave that part to me.
Robespierre natters on about freedom and mercy, while thousands go to the guillotine. Don somewhere wants to see this, he would choke on his own grief.
Where are you off to, Bennett?
Pray, monsieur. Might I borrow your handkerchief?
Kings still conspire to assassinate humanity. If they can no longer dismiss the divinity with superstition in order to implicate him in their transgressions, they endeavor to banish him from the earth to reign alone. People fear no more their sacrilegious conspiracy. They can no more tear the world from the breast of its author than the remorse from their own hearts. You who are you can again raise your eyes to the sky with impunity. Heroes come first.
Look at this
Generous devotion is not
cult of the supreme being indeed.
millions of tyranny
Someone
to
will
assassinate
hate
you, but it is
And if they
not
do,
in their power to
Robespierre is
annihilate you
popular,
completely.
but he's not God, no matter what. What's that? You can't touch it. In your pocket there.
To God himself and to immortality. Let nature thus regain all its magnificence and wisdom all its enlightenment. The supreme being is not destroyed. Let us be serious and discreet in all other ways. Let us serve the interests of the whole world. Let us be ardent and obstinate in our anger against small attacks. Sympathetic in the heat of things. Patient in our
Now, whoever you are, you can again think well of yourself.
people, fear no more their sacrilegious conspiracy. They can no more tear the world from the breast of its author than the remorse from their own heart. You who are restless, raise your eye to the sky with impunity. Let us be generous toward those who are good, compassionate toward the unfortunate, inexorable toward the wicked, just toward everyone. Let nature thus regain all
Conduct
its might,
unbecoming me.
and wisdom
That should
all
set
its
things in
power.
motion.
The supreme being
What is it, sir?
not destroyed.
It is wisdom, above all, that our guilty enemies want to drive from the Republic. To wisdom alone does it belong to consolidate the prosperity of empire. It is for her.
Being a list of enemies of the revolution. 500 names here.
Robespierre's gone too far this time.
That set the fox in the hen house.
Pity the hens. Now what?
We wait. It won't take long. Once Robespierre has lost the support of the people, he'll be no more use to Germain. And when Germain abandons him...
He's vulnerable. Let's go.